Welcome to the future of kitchen design, where 2024 is already making waves with exciting new trends. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the heart of tomorrow's culinary spaces, drawing from our rich well of insights and the latest design buzz. Whether you're a homeowner, an interior enthusiast, or simply curious, these trends are shaping the way we think about kitchens. From the materials we use to the functionality we crave, these trends are a glimpse into the future of home design. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the world of 2024 kitchen trends you won't want to miss. We welcome you to Serene Shelter, your ultimate guide to all things home and living. Here, we're passionate about offering you the latest, most useful insights into home living and design trends. So buckle up and get ready to explore and be inspired by the future of kitchen design. 2024 has brought us some truly innovative and stunning kitchen trends that are worth exploring. Let's dive right in and explore the top 5 trends that are making waves in the world of kitchen design this year. First up, we have the rise of smart kitchens. The future is here, and it has made its way into our kitchens. Smart kitchens feature advanced connected appliances that make meal prep a breeze. Think refrigerators that can suggest recipes based on what's inside, or ovens that can be preheated from your phone. It's all about convenience, efficiency, and a touch of tech-savvy panache. Next, we're seeing a resurgence of bold colors. Gone are the days of monochromatic kitchens. In 2024, it's all about making a statement with vibrant hues. From deep blues to rich greens, these bold colors can transform a kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. It's a trend that invites you to express your unique style and personality. The third trend we're seeing is the popularity of open shelving. This trend is all about showcasing your dishes and kitchenware as part of the decor. Not only does it offer a more relaxed, inviting feel, but it also makes everything easily accessible. It's a trend that combines style and functionality in the best way possible. Our fourth trend is the move towards sustainable materials. With a growing emphasis on eco-friendly living, many are opting for materials that are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Bamboo countertops, recycled glass tiles, and reclaimed wood are just a few examples. This trend shows that you can have a stunning kitchen while also being kind to our planet. Finally, we're seeing the rise of multifunctional islands. These aren't just for preparing meals anymore. In 2024, kitchen islands have become the hub of the home. They're used for dining, working, socializing, and more. This trend speaks to our evolving lifestyles and how our kitchens are adapting to meet our needs. These trends are not just aesthetically appealing, but also focus on functionality and sustainability, making them a great choice for the modern homeowner. So whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or just looking for some inspiration, these 2024 trends offer plenty of exciting ideas to consider. And there you have it, the 2024 kitchen trends that everyone's talking about. We've journeyed through the top 5 trends that are making waves in the world of home design, from sustainable and eco-friendly choices to the resurgence of timeless designs. We've seen how the kitchen, the heart of every home, is being reimagined. These trends aren't just about aesthetics, they're about functionality, comfort, and creating a space that feels truly yours. They're about staying ahead of the design curve and ensuring your home is a reflection of the times, while also being a haven of personal style and taste. So whether you're a homeowner looking to revamp your kitchen, or a design enthusiast keeping an eye on the latest trends, we hope you found something to inspire you in this roundup of 2024 kitchen trends. But the conversation doesn't stop here. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite trends? Are there any you're planning to incorporate into your kitchen? Any you're not so sure about? What are your thoughts on these trends? Share your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living and design trends. Until next time, keep designing your dream spaces.